nutrition advisor and you're watching The Good Tiffin. Today we are going to talk about foods that heal. These are called functional foods. Now foods that heal are like people who go out of their ways to help us. Just like that, foods that heal go beyond their basic nutrition value. They are rich in various antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, etc. These functional foods are of two types: conventional or natural ones and modified ones. The conventional or natural ones are your certain cereals or vegetables, fruits, herbs, spices, etc. Whereas modified ones are your commercially fortified foods like fortified cereals, fortified milk, etc. We are going to focus on the natural ones. I'm going to do a series on these natural functional foods. Today I'm going to talk about one such functional food, pistachios. Like they say, good things come in small packages. Pistachios are protein-rich nuts. They are rich in antioxidants, fibers and minerals. What's more, they are diabetic friendly. Despite their high carb content, pistachios are diabetic friendly. Their glycemic index is quite low. Glycemic index basically measures how quickly the food affects your blood sugar when eaten on its own, means when eaten alone. Pistachio are an excellent source of fibers and protein, so they keep us full for a longer amount of time and help us lose weight. Moreover, the fibers in pistachio are eaten by good bacteria of our gut, thus helping us keep our gut healthy. Pistachios are rich in vitamin B6. This vitamin is required to make a neurotransmitter called serotonin. Serotonin regulates our mood and sleep cycle. Pistachios are rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which have eye protective properties. The antioxidants in pistachio are more bioavailable than in any other nuts. Bioavailable means it's better absorbed in our bodies. 20% of their weight is protein, so they are an excellent source of protein for vegetarians and vegans. Pistachio are heart friendly as they help you lower LDL, that is your bad cholesterol. They are a great source of copper. Copper is very good for your iron absorption. I have talked about anemia and iron absorption in detail in one of my previous videos. Do check it out here. Pistachio are also your little energy boosters as they are rich in magnesium. It's a well-known fact that deficiency of magnesium can cause fatigue. They are also very rich in manganese, a mineral very important in bone development and wound healing. So they literally assist healing. This is how pistachio can keep you healthy and fit. Pistachios make for an excellent snack. You can use them in your various salads and smoothies. You can even make your overnight oat and chia seed pudding with pistachio milk. Pistachio milk is yum. I've recently tried it. You can even have your iron fortified cereals with pistachio milk. As pistachio milk is rich in copper, this will help your iron absorption. So today we have talked about pistachios. I'll be talking about many such foods that heal in my series of functional foods. If you've liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe The Good Tiffin for more. I'll see you this coming Friday with a new fortified recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.